Hi everyone, welcome to Textile Bangla. Today I will show you the names of 30 popular fabrics in English. If you love clothes, fashion or textile, this video is for you. Let's get started. Number 1, cotton fabric. Number 2, linen fabric. Number 3, silk fabric. Number 4, wood fabric. Number 5, polyester fabric. Number 6, denim fabric. Number 7, velvet fabric. Number 8, chiffon fabric. Number 9, satin fabric. Number 10, spandex fabric. Number 11, corduroy fabric. Number 12, brocade fabric. Number 13, georgette fabric. Number 14, lace fabric. Number 15, organza fabric. Number 16, crepe fabric. Number 17, taffeta fabric. Number 18, jersey fabric. Number 19, seersucker fabric. 20, muslin fabric. 21, flannel fabric. 22, fleecy fabric. Number 23, tulle fabric. Number 24, rami fabric. Number 25, gabardine fabric. Number 26, tweed fabric. Number 27, leather fabric. Number 28, nylon fabric. Number 29, acrylic fabric. Number 30, hemp fabric. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, comment your favorite fabric and subscribe to Textile Bangla for more textile and fabric related content. See you in the next one. Bye.